Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Hyundai Venue Preferred. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.6-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a little roof spoiler with a backup camera. We do get roof rails as well, blind spot detection, turn light, indicated mirrors, and moving to the front, we have that license plate bracket and that nice Hyundai grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You got little hooks and doodads to hold your gears down. You can get a tunnel cover for this as well, which is pretty nice. And lifting this up, you do get a fair bit more storage with your spare tire, and you can collapse that row if you need more. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior with some white stitching, cup holders, door space, carpet interior with some floor mats. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do get manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. More storage space up front. You have your lights and traction control all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 13,624 kilometers. We do get a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. You got your toggle for your screen, playback, play forward, pause, all that jazz. Your fave apps, phone, voice, mode, volume, playback, play forward. And looking at our main screen here, we have our drive info and all that fun stuff. We're gonna keep going through. User settings, tire pressure, lane keep, and all that fun stuff. And you do get your digital speedometer. To my right, we have our gear select. We have heated steering wheel, heated seats. You have your drive and traction. I'm just going to play with that. We have eco, normal, and sport, and your gauges change color depending on the mode. Pressing this down, you have your traction such as snow, mud, and sand. Continue your look here. We have cup holders, parking brake. You even get storage in the glove compartment. Storage below with a USB-C, and a 12-volt. You got climate controls, AC, rear, engine start. Your media controls just above. With your hazards, you got storage below and a little storage cubby right there. Looking here, you have your main audio, your media, all that jazz. You can change your widgets. From your menu, you have phone protection, voice memo, radio, user manual, all that jazz. You do get Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capabilities, and you got your settings just right there. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB38718B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.